and do shopping in this paper bag. It's fancy and cute. Here's our Miss Chandni. She's also in charge of art and craft. So they have decorated so well. I love it. So you can see this is also made from this one, the plastic. Long last?
It's more than
Million years, right? So this is very nice.
celebrated on this, and it's a bond between people and nature.
Guys, good morning once again. Welcome back to my channel. YouTube vlog. फेरि पनि स्वागत छ तपाईहरु सबैजना मेरो च्यानलमा है. So today also I'm vlogging at school है. So आज चाहिँ हो Environmental Day special. Happy Environmental Day to all है. So let's make our environment clean and green. So yeah, आज चाहिँ हाम्रो स्कुलमा Environmental Day special we have some projects that is by Art and Craft group. So we are going to witness that So class wise हुँदैछ. So I came here to show त्यो चाहिँ सबै नानीहरूले बनाएको छ प्रोजेक्ट्सहरु. So let's see guys. Let's enjoy. Stay tuned guys. तपाईहरु पनि म सँगसँगै इन्जोय गर्नुहोस् होला है. नानीहरूले धेरै प्लास्टिक्सहरुको रियुज रिसाइकल है प्लान्ट्सहरुको केहरु बनाएको छ. So तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँछु है. So guys stay tuned. इन्जोय गर्नुहोस् होला मसँगै.
Vlogging also.
Yes, I know already about Environmental Day special. So anything you want to?
Environment Day.
Any
everyone.
message?
Preserve your environment for
Let's
future.
keep our
have a sustainable living, so that our generation will get to see this beautiful environment.
Okay, guys. So we are going to witness some of the projects that is brought by our art and craft, by our students only. So let's see. Wow. Come here. I'll first introduce themselves.
My dear friends, hi! Chipkumani from
Hello. Here is our in charges for art and craft. So any message in this beautiful day?
Happy Environment Day. Save your planet. Save your environment.
Wait, I'm telling you.
Show your creativity.
So can you tell me what are this all things they are made by our children only? Any message?
See, no, not a single person is incapable. Everyone is capable of saving the environment. You can see how small children they have contributed in making all the items made by recycled. So that's how we can contribute in the environment.
Okay, thank you, Mas. Here's our Miss Chandni. She's also in charge of art and craft. So they have decorated so well. I love it. So any.
We're very happy today in a short span of time we are able to such a beautiful things. The students they have really showcased their talents. They have used all the waste materials and created something beautiful out of it to save our planet. So we have done everything based on Environment Day. So we are very happy and glad. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So I'm going to explore now.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you. So this is all made from. This is from by class 7 and class 8. So this is all the materials which they have recycled. Yes or no? So this is, guys, you can see this is made from CD, and they have used the ice cream sticks here. Wow, nice. And this is also made from plastic only. The Pepsi Sprite water bottle, no? With this. Wow, this is really nice. You can see the art. Guys, this is also from plastic. Made from plastic, guys. It's so beautiful.
Miss this volcano.
Yes, I'm saying. What is this made from?
Miss,
It's from paper.
miss that
Well, this
cardboard.
is really nice. This is a sakura. We call it Japanese flower. No, it's cherry blossom.
With cardboard.
Yes, this is made from this one, candle. Really nice. Wow. And what about this, Ayan? Can you tell me something about
This
this?
is the volcano chart.
Volcano shard. Who made this?
This is made by that thermocol.
Thermocol, no? Oh, this is thermocol. I thought this is a stone. Wow, really nice.
It's all made by thermocol
And guys, you can see this one. This is also a flower and the wire which they made from plastic. This is from plastic. They have really recycled well. And this is also from the Pepsi water bottle. They have made this one. This is from papers. And what about this, Ayan? Can you explain me what is this?
This is what is made up of that ice cream stick.
Ice cream stick. Wow, really nice. They've used the cloth also here, no?
Yes, yes.
See the flowers, paper craft, water cycle. And this is the different layers of the earth. Stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. This is really nice, no? This is made from the
Jordan lecture.
yes, matchbox.
Matchbox, some cardboard, this, and some that bottles.
What is this?
Water gun. Water gun.
They've used the syringe injection and the wood for this. This is solar panel. This is all made from plastics.
I will also in charge, okay?
This is the grass from the. This is the real grass or a carpet.
This I think artificial grass. This but these are fine. These are real grass.
Our students, they are very, very talented. You can see the flowers which they made from papers. So you are the in charge? Any message for Environmental Day?
This conserve trees and plant more trees and help our environment make more beautiful.
Thank you so much. Ayan, any message for Environmental Day?
This environment day is celebrated on 5th. This and it's a bond between people and nature.
Thank you. So this is the theme for this class 7 and 8 is reduce, reuse and recycle. Primary section, all the primary section from class 1 to 4. So the theme is Earth is the God's gift to us. Let us care for it. Save the green, fight global warming. Okay, so they have done a very good thing.
Eco bricks.
This is
Eco bricks.
Eco Bricks. Okay, can you tell me something about this?
Miss, it is used as a brick. Miss, we can use this instead of normal
Okay,
bricks.
so this is all the plastic bottles which we get from Pepsi, Coke and all. So they have put all the plastics inside it. So this is a really nice Eco
Miss, and
Brick.
we can make houses from
It long last?
and it's more than 1,000,000 years.
Million years, right? So this is very nice. In the bottles they have put this one.
This and it's also reduce pollution.
Very nice.
We did so
Okay.
nicely.
So this is the Eco Brick they are saying. You can see here.
Oh.
So this is long last for millions of years. They are saying.
with this?
Okay, you can see the houses. Primary students are also very talented, no?
no?
Yes, really nice.
This is so pretty.
This one, see?
This one was what I loved. This one. Sudhanshu Rai, Srishant Petra. This one is also cute. Anushka Sarma.
Wow, this one is really nice. They've used the mud.
Sanvi Smith. I like this one. Miss, I like that. We keep this one separate.
This is from class 11 and 12 science. Wow, wait. First I'll show you, okay? Oh, I love DBM is also here. Solar panel is also there. Okay, hello MD.
Hello, Miss. Good morning.
He's our school captain.
So today, as our topic is one of the renewable source of energy. So one of the renewable sources energy is also a solar plant. So we have made our model on a solar plant, and we know that in present days we see can many of you use electric device, and because of too much of electric device, it causes too amount of high bill for our home buildings or anything. So we have brought solar plant which can reduce your amount of electric bill. So how it works, I'll explain that. Whenever there is a there is a bright day or a little cloudy day, the ray which comes from the sun, ultraviolet ray, is absorbed through the solar cell.
Solar cell.
Solar cell, and the solar cell which absorbs light converts it into a electrical energy, and the energy which is absorbed by the solar cell is a direct current, which is not useful for the electronic device. It can harm to the electronic device. So DC current is converted to the alternative current to the inverters, and this alternative current is now usable for the electronic device. So solar energy is not directly usable, but we have to convert it into electrical energy, so we can use for the any electronic device. And the benefit of this is it neither causes sound pollution, neither air pollution, neither water pollution. And its maintenance is not too high, not too cost, like in medium. So if you are thinking to install this in your house home, you can, because there is benefit of this, which can decrease your electric bill and all.
Okay, thank you so much. So this is concept of class 11 and 12 together as a group work, as a teamwork you have done. How many days it took you to make this project?
From Saturday we are working last Saturday, so almost Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we are presenting.
Almost 1 week, no?
Yes,
Thank you so much for presenting such a beautiful concept with us.
Thank you.
We'll learn something from this also, no? So guys, as he has already explained about this, so this is really nice. Theme for this is for class 9 and 10.
I
Sustainable.
want to talk about organic farming.
Louder.
Miss, today I want to talk about organic farming. What I want to showcase is nowadays people are using different kinds of harmful pesticides. So in order to avoid that, it's good to opt organic farming.
Okay, wow. This is made by you? It's really nice. You can see, yes, use the clay to prepare this organic farming. The pumpkins, cabbage, what else is there? Broccoli, and this is carrot and maize. So as you can see, organic farming is also one of the good techniques here. Yes? There's light.
Kind of energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy that produces the light.
Really nice concept. And what about this? This is also kind of organic farming only. Nowadays you can see the people, they are doing lots and lots of organic farming, no? So this is, how does greenhouse works?
The greenhouse gases.
Oh, greenhouse gases, okay. This is how our land get polluted. As you can see, if you throw the plastics and all, this is how the lands get polluted, and the crops polluted by the dirty factory water. As you can see, all the crops, they are dying because you can see from the factory the polluted water is coming, and this is the water which is supplied from the factory, and from where we can see the plants, they are dying. This is how the plants die here. Group teamwork. Hello, any message for Environmental Day?
No, miss. We don't have any miss. Very renewable sources. No.
You can see.
Brother, so nice, no? Electric solar panel.
If you throw the garbage like this, you can see which will pollute. This is land pollution. Resources by class 11 and 12. Hello, Nayuma. So, kindly explain some of the models that you have made, that you have prepared. Okay, hello. Little bit louder, okay?
So this is deforestation, and deforestation means cutting down of trees in a large scale. So why does deforestation take place? Deforestation is mainly done for human civilization and any other human uses. Because of the increasing population, there must be a place for them to live. And also they make their shelter with their woods, and some cut trees for business reasons and also for food.
Okay. So this is because of the cutting of trees and all, the rivers are getting dried, no? And this the fishes are also dying. This is a nice concept. This is made by which group? Class 11 and 12? You can see because of the deforestation, the waters are drying, and because of this you can see the fishes are dying, and you can only see the Yes. Anything else? And what about this?
And this is just
This-
for just to see.
You can see this is a solar panel, I guess, no? Solar panel from where the electricity comes. Okay, nice one. Anything else? This one?
Deforestation is bad. Grow trees, that's all.
We must grow more and more trees, no? Afforestation. Deforestation will harm our environment. Thank you so much. These are That's my miss. So, any message for Environmental Day special?
I would like to say, it's not only on this Environment Day, we should be concerned about our environment, we should think about the cleanliness and greenery, around us every day. Thank you.
We must work together, no? For
Yes,
that.
yes.
Thank you so much, miss. Telling me about these things. These are all the.
there to explain. They are young to explain only.
Okay, hello girls. So yes, what is this mainly? This is from which class? 5 and 6. All 5 and 6. Okay, let's come together and tell something about these plants that you have displayed here.
Succulents and medicinal plant flowers, which can be seen and you see means avocado and all. Beneficial plants are this.
Beneficial plants. Yes. Next
Which
one.
can be seen in nearby your houses or villages. Those are very helpful plants.
Any message for Environmental Day?
Happy Environment Day to everyone, and just please save your earth and stay safe and
To save our earth, what are the things that we need to do? Just tell to the viewers.
to clean the things which are like, do not throw some the
Plastics.
waste to the floor, throw it inside the dustbin and all this.
Okay, thank you so much, Nitsuma. Hello, sir. Any Environmental Day message?
Yes, we must keep our earth clean and green. That's my message.
Thank you so much. Kriti. Hello. So, did you like the this one? Why are you running? I'm asking you something.
So nice.
So what did you learn from this exhibition? Anything?
Yes, we have to make creative things.
Creativity? And
We got the idea how to
environmental message? Any?
No, miss.
Why are you feeling shy? This is also made from that recently, no, Frazal? What do you call that? Bamboo. That we used to make that one, no? Firfire. And this one is also a leaf only. And what about this? This is a paint, no? This flowers is a paint, but the top one, sustainable, no guys, this is made from that. In childhood we used to be playing with that fire made from that, and this is also made from the leaves. Only this part they have painted. Very nice, very creative. I really like this concept of organic farming. You made this with clay, no? Pumpkins, cabbage, and what we call this, broccoli.
This is cabbage, this is cauliflower. This is pumpkin. This is leaves.
I was sure
Peas.
peas. Oh my god,
This is
cute.
potato, carrots, brinjal,
Detailing, guys, you just see the guy.
mushroom, strawberry,
detailings, no?
watermelon, grapes.
I was showing them this one, no? So guys, from this project we can learn that like we must preserve our environment, and हामी आफ्नो आफूले नै अब घरको छेउछेउ क्लिन गरेर चाहिँ we can make our environment safe and clean, from home itself,
Yeah,
no?
from home.
From
And whenever
society.
you're outside, going somewhere, when you eat something in the vehicle, try to keep it inside your bag and throw it in the dustbin. Okay, so one step at a time is better than to tell everyone to do it, no?
So this, I guess this kind of the activities like this, what we call this, projects and all, it was first time in our school, but it is really nice. We really enjoyed. Educational, no? We really enjoyed watching this. So in upcoming days, there'll be more. Congratulations to both our teachers, animators, and all, Miss Chandni and Miss Angelina. The work was really great. No, we really liked, enjoyed it. And this model also, I'm really much impressed with this.
I took everyone, like science students, those who are interested, I took them.
It took them only nearly 1 week to make this one. Teamwork, no? Everyone, I think they did this one,
You
no?
should teach the juniors also, no? So that they can learn slowly, no?
Yes.
Because boys, most of the boys are interested in this kind of thing.
Actually, from small only, I'm interested to do these kinds of things and all. Whenever I used to get electric car or after 2 days, I used to open it.
Oh, so you are
And the excuse is that by mistakenly it broke.
Really
got a
nice.
good platform to portray your creativity.
Creativity.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Our Yellow House captain, anything you want to say?
Scientist assistant on this.
You just give the message, no? What? You're in senior class, you must give the example.
As a science student, be logical in everything. Thank you.
Any, no message for Environmental Day special?
Environment Day. Plant a tree.
Huh?
Plant a tree.
At least you can plant one tree, no?
Yes, yes. Plant one tree every day. At least.
Toko. What is this?
This is made of this
Choya?
bamboo cane.
I really like this one. As you can see, the main concept here, because you can see they are cutting down the trees. Yes or no? They are cutting down the trees. Because of that, what is happening? The land is getting drought here. Because the soil is getting infertile, no? Because of that, you can see. The land is getting cracked. Because of this only, the landslide will come, many things. Any message for Environmental Day?
Save Earth. Save Earth.
Save Earth. Anything else? You are in class 7 and you are feeling shy to tell what about Environmental Day? Huh? Any message? Huh? I really like this one.
This one.
Brick. What is this?
Eco brick.
Eco brick. Who made this?
Students of class 3 and 4.
Class 3 and 4. Really nice concept. Eco brick. Instead of throwing the plastics, bottles everywhere in the field, you can just make like this eco brick. So because this brick is like it can go for many years, no?
More than million.
Yes.
This it is another way of recycling waste also.
Very good. Animators, so are you all happy to display all the projects that the children bought?
Yes, we are very happy.
They
They
have-
did it in 2 days,
Ah.
and we are very happy by the result.
From this side, they have done well.
Has their creativity, we just have to give them the opportunity. So we've been the member of Art and Craft, so we wanted that to showcase their
Because I think this kind of art and craft program, it is like first time in our school, but they did it really well.
really well.
They did it really well. I'm really impressed. Yes.
So next time we'll try to do it much more,
better,
bigger
no?
and better.
Yes.
So we are hoping that. So
Okay.
we are very happy.
Congratulations on the victory.
Okay, from my side also, congratulations. Congratulations. Really, really, they did it well. And you see this one also, miss? This one also really this is you can see this is also made from this one, the plastic. Cook plastics and Hello. Environmental Day special, any message? Don't do this.
Means that we should recycle, reuse things.
Did you learn something from here?
Yes, miss.
Miss to recycle more. Miss recycle plastic and not throw it on the earth.
Yes.
Miss. Miss. You verify yourself.
These are all the art and craft, paper and all. Ananya, she's very talented. Ananya, they're very talented, no? She makes.
What did you use here?
You explain this, yes. Louder, okay? Yes. So, yes. Louder.
This I make with a plastic bag and wire.
Wire.
This is cotton.
This is cotton. Okay. You love doing art and craft? Yes, all the time she does, no? She does very well. These are all things she made for us. One for Miss Angelina, one for me. One mirror also she had made. Many things she made. You go and do shopping in this paper bag. It's fancy and cute paper bag. Nice one, no? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
So, आजको तपाईलाई एक्जिबिसन कस्तो लाग्यो अन्त हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट्सहरु
है जुन पर्यावरण दिवसको नानीहरूले जुन आज एक्जिबिसन गरेको थियो त्यो चाहिँ अत्यन्त है प्रशंसनीय थियो। नानीहरूको एउटा क्रिएटिभिटी आज हामीले देख्यौँ है र यो पर्यावरण दिवसको उनीहरूलाई धेरै एउटा ज्ञान पनि भयो। पर्यावरण दिवस चाहिँ अब आज हामी सबै सारा उसले मनाउँछौँ होइन। मनाएपछि त्यो मनाएर मात्र हुँदैन रहेछ, तर अब हेर्नु अहिले भारतवर्षको जति टेम्परेचर अब तापमानहरू कति कति बढेर गयो होइन। त्यो चाहिँ एउटा प्रश्न चिन्ह बनेको छ सबैको निम्ति। र यसरी नानीहरूलाई हामीले ग्रास रुटदेखि नै इन्भाइरोमेन्टको एउटा शिक्षा दिँदै गयो भने उनीहरूले त्यो कुरालाई उनीहरूले संरक्षण गर्नु सिक्छ होइन। प्रति वर्ष हामीले रुख मात्रै रोपेर भएन नि, त्यसको संरक्षण पनि हुनु पर्यो होइन। र आज भारतवर्षमा रुखपात नभएको कारणले गर्दा धेरै प्रचण्ड गर्मी बढेर गएको छ। त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ हामीले नानीहरूलाई पनि बुझाउनु सक्नु पर्यो। नानीहरू पनि अहिलेदेखि नै सचेत हुनु पर्यो। र आजको यो एक्जिबिसनले चाहिँ नानीहरूलाई धेरै धेरै एउटा राम्रो शिक्षा उनीहरूले प्राप्त गर्नु सकेको छ जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ।
हुन्छ, थ्याङ्क यू मिस, धन्यवाद। नाइस मेसेज। So आजको स्पेशल एनी इन्भाइरोमेन्टल डे मेसेज?
लाइक इन्भाइरोमेन्ट र ह्युमन चाहिँ एउटा फ्यामिली जस्तो बस्नुपर्छ है। अब एकअर्कालाई केयर गरेर, जस्तै एउटा रुख काटेपछि इफ वी कट वान ट्री वी निड टु प्लान्ट 2 or 10 ट्रिज है त्यसको ठाउँमा। द्याट इज अ केयर। जस्तै अब एउटा फ्यामिलीमा हामीले एकअर्कालाई केयर देखाउँछौँ, त्यसरी नै हाम्रो मदर नेचरलाई चाहिँ हामीले केयर गर्नुपर्छ सो द्याट हाम्रो फ्युचर जेनेरेसनलाई पनि एकदम राम्रो हुन्छ।
थ्याङ्क यू सो मच मिस। Guys, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. It is
Judge,
just a short.
was the judge.
Yes, it is a short and sweet vlog, which we presented for you.
Educational, yeah.
It is really nice. We enjoyed a lot after seeing this. So thank you so much, guys. So you also can get the message. Then you can plant more and more trees. You can keep our environment safe and clean by doing these things. Reuse, recycle. Any one word which you want to give, a magical word for this environmental day?
Sustainable living. Okay, sustainable living. Reuse your old clothes, and if you're not wearing it, if you're not using it, you can at least donate it so that they can use. So that's also the way to preserve the environment.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.